Have you ever stayed in a relationship where something just didn't feel right, yet you couldn't quite explain why? The laughter was there, the affection maybe, but deep down you felt off, disconnected, even exhausted. As Marcus Aurelius said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. In relationships, those thoughts are often shaped by the behaviors we endure, subtly, repeatedly. That's why recognizing red flags is not just helpful, it's essential. In this video, we explore 5 relationship behaviors that may seem small, but speak volumes. With the grounding wisdom of Stoicism, we'll reflect on what it means to be in a relationship that supports, not drains, your peace of mind. Recognizing red flags in relationships is crucial for maintaining mental health and self-respect. Unhealthy behaviors in a partner can manifest in various ways, such as manipulation, excessive jealousy, or lack of support. Identifying these signs early can prevent emotional turmoil and long-term damage. It's essential to approach this topic with seriousness, as acknowledging these red flags is not just about identifying problematic behaviors, but also about valuing your own well-being. We must foster a culture of self-awareness and reflection, encouraging viewers to take a step back and evaluate their own relationships. Are you feeling respected and valued? Are your needs being met? By recognizing unhealthy patterns, you empower yourself to make informed decisions about your relationships. This discussion is not merely about pointing fingers, but about fostering healthier connections and ensuring that you prioritize your mental health. Number 1. Gaslighting and reality distortion. Gaslighting is a manipulation tactic where one person seeks to undermine another's perception of reality, often leading to significant self-doubt and confusion. This insidious behavior can manifest in various ways during conversations, such as denying events that occurred, dismissing feelings as irrational, or insisting that the victim is overreacting. For instance, if a partner frequently tells you that you're too sensitive or that you're imagining things, they may be engaging in gaslighting. Over time, this can erode your confidence and make you question your own thoughts and feelings, creating a toxic environment that is detrimental to mental health. Recognizing gaslighting is crucial, as it allows individuals to reclaim their sense of reality and self-worth. Awareness of this behavior not only empowers victims to seek help, but also fosters healthier communication in relationships. By understanding the signs of gaslighting, you can protect your mental well-being and ensure that your relationships are built on trust and respect, rather than manipulation and doubt. Number 2. Disrespecting personal boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries is fundamental in any healthy relationship. Boundaries are the limits we set regarding what we are comfortable with, encompassing emotional, physical, and digital spaces. They matter because they help define our identity and protect our well-being. When boundaries are disrespected, it can lead to feelings of discomfort and resentment. For example, if one partner frequently checks the other's phone without permission or dismisses their need for alone time, it signals a lack of respect for personal space. Such scenarios can create tension and erode trust over time. It's essential to recognize that a partner should enhance your peace, not undermine it. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual respect, where both individuals feel safe to express their needs and desires. When boundaries are honored, it fosters a sense of security and understanding, allowing love and connection to flourish. By prioritizing respect for personal boundaries, you create a nurturing environment that supports both partners' growth and happiness. Number 3. Playing the victim to avoid accountability. A partner who consistently plays the victim can be a significant red flag in a relationship, as this behavior often shifts accountability away from them and onto you. This dynamic can manifest in conversations where, instead of addressing their actions, they deflect blame and portray themselves as the one suffering. For instance, if you express concern about their behavior, they might respond with, "You're always attacking me. I can't do anything right." This effectively turns the focus onto their feelings, rather than addressing the issue at hand. This pattern can leave you feeling guilty for raising valid concerns, and can create an emotional imbalance in the relationship. It's crucial to recognize the emotional toll this behavior can take, as it can lead to feelings of frustration, confusion, and even self-doubt. By acknowledging this red flag, you empower yourself to seek healthier dynamics, where accountability is shared and both partners can communicate openly without fear of manipulation or emotional distress. Number 4. Disregard for each other's time. Valuing each other's time is essential in a relationship, as effective time management reflects respect and commitment to the partnership. When both partners prioritize each other's schedules, it demonstrates that they value one another's lives and responsibilities. Conversely, behaviors that show a lack of respect for time can include consistently being late to meetings, canceling plans at the last minute, or failing to communicate about changes in availability. For example, if one partner frequently disregards agreed-upon plans, it can lead to feelings of frustration and neglect. Over time, being treated as an afterthought can erode trust and emotional intimacy, making one partner feel unimportant or undervalued. This can create a cycle of resentment, where one person feels taken for granted while the other remains oblivious to the impact of their actions. Ultimately, recognizing the importance of valuing each other's time fosters a healthier, more balanced relationship, where both partners feel appreciated and understood, paving the way for deeper connections and mutual respect. Number 5. When effort fades into complacency. When a partner stops trying in a relationship, it often signifies a troubling transition from effort to complacency. Initially, relationships thrive on mutual investment, where both individuals actively contribute to nurturing their connection. However, over time, one partner may begin to withdraw, leading to a noticeable decline in effort. Behaviors that indicate this lack of investment can include neglecting to plan dates, failing to communicate regularly, or showing disinterest in each other's lives. For instance, if one partner stops making an effort to engage in meaningful conversations or forgets important dates, it can create feelings of neglect and disappointment. This complacency can lead to a sense of imbalance, where one partner feels they are carrying the emotional weight of the relationship alone. It's crucial to emphasize that relationships require ongoing effort from both partners to flourish. Without this commitment, the bond can weaken, leading to resentment and emotional distance. Recognizing these signs early can help couples address issues before they escalate, fostering a healthier, more engaged partnership. If this reflection resonates with you, take a moment to subscribe to the Stoic Code. Here we build a If this reflection resonates with you, take a moment to subscribe to the Stoic Code. Here we build a community grounded in clarity, strength, and emotional wisdom. In the quiet moments between heartbeats and conversations, your intuition often whispers what logic tries to ignore. By identifying behaviors like gaslighting, boundary violations, time neglect, victim playing, and emotional withdrawal, you're not just seeing red flags, you're seeing yourself more clearly. And that clarity is sacred. Seneca once wrote, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Don't imagine that your peace must be sacrificed for connection. It never should be. Prioritize relationships that honor your worth. Speak with honesty. Listen with depth. Love without losing yourself. Subscribe to the Stoic Code and join us on this path of emotional resilience, self-awareness, and grounded connection. And if these insights sparked something within you, share your story in the comments. It may help someone else find their strength. Until next time, stand tall, walk clearly. We will leave you with this quote from Epictetus: "The wise man is indifferent to everything which he cannot control."